After completing the site assessment and turning the power off to the doorbell, you can safely remove the current doorbell to install the VX1. Start by removing the current doorbell. In this video, we are replacing a Resideo Skybell video doorbell, and it is removed by taking out the screw at the bottom of the doorbell. After removing the doorbell from the mounting bracket, remove the wiring and take the old bracket off the door frame, being careful to not let the wires fall back into the door frame. Now, determine if you need the flush or angled mounting bracket that came with the VX1. This install has required the angled mount bracket. After mounting the bracket to the door frame, connect the VX1 to the existing wires. Once the VX1 is connected to the doorbell wiring, the VX1 simply snaps into place in the mounting bracket. Once you have the VX1 installed and the power is still off, connect the chime adapter to the chime box based on the existing configuration. Take the adhesive off the back of the chime adapter and place it in the chime box. Once you have the VX1 and chime adapter installed, turn the circuit breaker back on. Once the doorbell boots up, you can begin the enrollment process through the app.